Thanks for grabbing a Frontside bag hip pack. I want to show you a quick video on how to attach this bag to your skateboard. So when you get it out of the box, it should look just like this. Both clips open and ready to go. So what you're going to do is take bottom strap right here, and you're going to take these two little clips and you're going to put them right around the tail of your skateboard. And once you have it snapped in place, you just pull on these tabs to tighten to make sure that your board does not come loose of the straps. Then you're going to take the other strap and these two smaller clips right here, and you're going to put them right around the board, and you're going to make sure they go underneath your front set of trucks. And just like the tail, you're going to clip them in place, and then you're going to pull on these tabs to make sure it is nice and tight. So that way, once you're done and set up, it should look just like this. Strap here, and they'll be right under each set of bolts. So from the front, it'll look like this, and from the back, it'll look just like that. You'll see the clips are here. This is nice and tight. Clips are here on the bottom. These straps are nice and tight. So when you sling it over your shoulder, your board's not going anywhere, and the bag sits right up front. Thanks again for buying a Frontside bag hip pack.